Hey guys, this is Nick here, 8 years old now. As you can see, I look really old, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a really good paper airplane. So all you're going to need is a piece of A4 paper, and let's get started. Okay, so first, fold this paper in half, like so. Crease it hard here. Pull this back after that. Make sure it is really neat at the edges. As usual, crease it. Now do the same with the other side. Crease with the other side. And now crease. Okay, after that, open this. Perfect. Now after that, put it on the way to the bottom here. Crease it again. Make the best. Okay, now fold yours somewhat like this. They should still be meeting, except there should be this kind of big white space instead of a kind of point there. Then you get to do this, crease it. But then you have to take this out and fold this. Make sure like this. Okay, now fold it like this. It folds with ease if you crease it a lot. Crease this wing. Crease it like this. Make sure everything can be as flat as possible. Okay, now open it like this. It's best if you do this outside, actually, the plane, but not making the plane. You should make the plane inside, but you should do the plane outside. And there you got it. The perfect plane. I'll show you how it goes. It went pretty far, actually. Outside, too. Here it is. Okay, now here's a special bit. If you want to keep yours like it, you can exit the video right now. So now what we're gonna do is this. If you want to make it more special, you should fold it one side like this, another side like this. Okay, now it's here like this. Throw it. No, wait. Not like that. Just kind of throw it. Or another thing you could do, throw it up. It works good when you throw it up. So yeah guys, that's it for this tutorial on how to make the perfect paper airplane. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.